A video editor that's free, easy to use, easy to access, works in the cloud, and gives you unlimited stock media? Sounds too good to be true, right? But there is one. When people start video editing, they usually jump straight to heavy tools like Premiere Pro, After Effects, Filmora, or CapCut, even powerful but overwhelming. Too many buttons, too much learning, too much pressure. But what if you're a beginner? What if you just want to start posting videos, build confidence, and remove the fear of editing? I've been using this editor for over a year now. The quality is top-notch, and if you're creative and put some effort, you can do way more than you think. Welcome back to Software for Creators, a channel where we help you create content better, faster, and smarter. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. The tool is none other than Canva, and today I'll show you why Canva Video Editor is one of the best video editors for beginners. And who knows, this video might be edited using it. Most people already know Canva. It's a graphic design tool. Almost everyone has used it for posts, thumbnails, presentations, resumes, and much more. But what many people still don't realize is this. Canva also has its own free video editor, and it's built for people who don't want to learn video editing. They just want to create. It's a simple drag and drop video editor. You add clips, text, music, animations, move things around, and that's it. All the basic features are there: cut, trim, text, transitions, animations, music, stock videos. If you know how to use Canva for design, you already know how to edit videos in Canva, and that's why it works so well for beginners. Next, let me show you how it actually works, step by step. To use it, you just log into Canva. Once you're inside, click on Create, then click Videos. Now you'll see different options for what you want to make. You can choose a YouTube long video, Reels, Shorts, or other formats. Just scroll a bit and pick what you need. For this, I'll choose a landscape video, click on it, and that's it. Your video editor opens instantly, ready to use. Before we jump into the actual review, let me quickly explain why Canva Video Editor works so well, especially for beginners. First, it's easy to access and easy to use. No download, no installation, you just open it in your browser and start editing. The entire editor is drag and drop. Add elements, move things around, trim clips, no complicated timelines, no confusing settings. Second, everything is cloud-based. All your designs, videos, and files are saved in one place. You can open them anytime, from anywhere, nothing gets lost. Third, Canva has a strong free version. You can do a lot without paying anything. And if you need more, the paid plan is affordable, plus there's a free trial and even student access. Fourth, you get access to a huge stock library: images, videos, music, sound effects, graphics, animations, and text styles, you all built in. This makes it perfect for social media content. You get ready-made templates for YouTube, Reels, Shorts, Instagram, ads, everything sized and designed already. And on top of that, Canva includes powerful features like AI captions, background remover, AI image generator, image upscaler, filters, and more. Now, with that out of the way, let's actually start using the editor and see how everything works. Now let's get back to creating the video. Once you select the video format, in my case, landscape video, just click on it, and immediately you're taken to the main video editing dashboard. This is where all the editing happens. On the left side, you'll find all the main features. At the top, there's Elements. This is where all the stock content lives. You can search or scroll through images, videos, audio, shapes, graphics, and more. Below that is text. You get different text styles with ready-made animations. Just click and apply, no manual animation work needed. Then there's brand. This is mainly for brands and teams, and it's a premium feature, so we'll skip it for now. Next is uploads. All the files you upload, images, videos, audio, are stored here for easy access. Then you have tools. Basic stuff like select, draw, shapes, lines, simple but useful. After that is projects, where all your designs and videos are saved. And finally, apps. We'll ignore this for now. Now let's actually create the video. For this demo, we'll make a short video on a topic. A quick story about Superbrain Gym Quick. Just a simple storytelling video with visuals, text, and music. For this, we need 3 basic things: visuals, a voiceover, and background music. So let me upload them. It's easy, just drag and upload. Done. Now comes the editing part. We've already uploaded everything. So first, bring your audio onto the timeline. Just click on it and place it. You'll notice the video is divided into different pages. Think of these pages as sections where you add visuals. You can drag them, extend them, shorten them, however you want, or add new pages from here. Now that the audio is in place, let's add visuals. I'll bring in images of Gym Quick, 1 image per page. Just drag and drop. Next, let's add background music. Go to Elements, Audio, and search for something like uplifting. For now, I'll choose this one.
the architect of the limitless mind.
You can adjust the volume of background music or other voiceovers by clicking on it and adjusting the slider.
The architect of the limitless mind.
So now we have everything we need: voiceover, images, and background music. To make it smoother, let's add transitions between pages. Canva gives you about 9 built-in transitions, and honestly, that's more than enough. You can use something simple like slide or dissolve. Just apply it between each page. Here I added the transitions in the pages one by one. Next, you can also mix in stock videos to match the voiceover, for example, a child during childhood, teaching moments, or success visuals. And one important thing, you can preview everything live. Just click the play button and see how it looks.
The architect of the limitless mind. So, you've probably heard of Jim Quick, right? He's known today as a super brain, one of the world's top brain coaches. But his whole career is really built on dismantling this limiting label he was given as a kid. Okay, so first.
Now, this may not look perfect. I'm just showing the basics. You can do much more than this. In the next section, I'll show you how to make your videos better using text, animations, and other features. Click on any page, then you can add images, videos, etc. on the element or the main visual of the page. Think of these as B-roll or secondary elements that support your main content. You can also adjust the position of these elements, I mean layers, front or back. You can do the same with text. Just click on text and select a subheading, then type your text. After that, you can change the font, size, color, and more. You can also add effects like outlines. I usually use the background option to highlight the text even more. You can also animate all the B-rolls elements like images, videos, and the text. Canva gives you a ton of animations. I normally use pop, wipe, baseline, and even on-screen effects like pulse, zoom, slide, and more. Once you're done, exporting the video is simple. Just click share, then download, choose the quality, and that's it. And honestly, this is just the surface. You really have to try it yourself to see how much more it can do. There are a lot of features and creative options inside Canva that we didn't even touch. As a quick example, here's a short video I made using this editor, just to show you what's possible once you start experimenting. There are thousands of AI tools and software out there, but which one is actually right for you? That is the problem. Creators sign up with big hopes. The tool looks powerful. The features sound amazing. Then comes the confusion. Too many options, too many promises, and zero real results. That's where software for creators comes in. We research, test, and break down AI tools and software in simple language. No tech confusion, no fake hype, just clear answers on what works and who it's actually for. This page is for content creators, marketers, freelancers, and anyone tired of wasting time on tools that don't deliver. Follow software for creators. Discover the right tools faster, create more, and stop getting lost in software. If you're a beginner and want to start posting videos without fear, Canva is a great place to start. You can try it for free, and yes, some features are locked behind premium, but you can take a free trial or even use a student account to unlock more features. Just try it once, create one video, play around, and you'll see why so many creators start here. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and comment what tool you want me to test next. See you in the next one.